We begin tonight at 9 o'clock with two deadly incidents involving commercial vehicles on our roadways, our highways, in just about the last 24 hours. Just yesterday, a tire flew off an 18-wheeler and killed a man. And today, a cement truck veered off a highway, killing a toddler in a vehicle below. Thanks for being here tonight, everyone. I'm Jonathan Martin.
And I'm Rashi Batts. Both of these incidents remain under investigation tonight. Fox 26's Sherman DeSell joining us live to break down what's happened. Sherman.
Yeah, good evening. There's still a lot of questions about how those vehicles were maintained and driven prior to the crash. Meanwhile, two families in this area are grieving tonight as they wait for those answers.
Very difficult time for the family. My heart aches for my niece because now she has to care for those small kids alone.
Family members of Lee Simmons Jr. are having a difficult time dealing with losing the loving husband and father of five. He was on his way to pick up his two youngest daughters from school when Harris County deputies say two tires came off of an 18-wheeler from the southbound side of the North Freeway. They rolled onto the northbound side. One wheel struck Simmons' car, killing him. His 11-year-old in the back seat of the car suffered minor injuries. This just 24 hours before another crash involving a cement truck on Beltway 8, killing a young child. Fox 26's Matthew Seedorf was on scene.
This crash just disturbing. You can see where the cement truck flew off of the Beltway onto Wood Forest, crushing an SUV, killing a 22-month-old boy. Right now, it's unclear if that driver is going to face any charges.
There has been an increase in accidents with normal cars and with 18-wheelers over the past few decades.
Personal injury attorney Patrick O'Hara believes a few things attribute to the rising crashes. More people in the city and on the roads, and less qualified truck drivers getting paid a lot less than years past.
And so when they're driving their vehicles, they're not as good at drivers, but they're also not good at maintaining their vehicles. You look at the accident yesterday, it's because a tire fell off. So they didn't make the proper checks when they arrived at the location or when they arrived at the, left or arrived at the location, wherever they were going and coming from.
Lee Simmons' aunt agrees and hopes to see tougher regulations on Texas roads so another family won't feel the same pain.
There's far too many truck-related accidents in the city of Houston, and that, big truck safety is something that we need to prioritize.
Lee Simmons' family has started a GoFundMe page to help with his funeral expenses and to support his family, a lot of young kids. Meanwhile, we are still waiting to hear updates on both of these crashes. Stay with Fox 26 for the latest on that. Reporting from Houston, Sherman DeSell, Fox 26 News.